friends, today I have got LG Lightwave convection microwave of 32 liters. It's a premium LG microwave. Along with it I have got trio mixing bowl, 2 pieces. It's the glass bowl, and I'm very happy that I've got something free along with this product. And the USP of this product, it has a charcoal lighting heater. So like when you cook dishes, you can really get the charcoal taste, like when you prepare something in angiti or a barbecue. So you can get a similar kind of taste in this microwave. So let's begin unboxing it. I'm very excited about this product. So I just hope it fulfills my it fulfills my wishes. So let's start unboxing it. So we've got a one big glass tray and its stand. So this was inside the box, and it's a black color microwave, and it has got a touch panel. So let's see what is inside the microwave, which I've received along with the product. So if you see, it's a set of high stand and a low stand. Rotisserie. I was being told that I will receive a steamer along with the product, and I'm very happy that I've got it. So it's a steamer, and you can steam vegetables and other things which you want to steam. It has a tawa. It's a good size tawa. That's all in the microwave. And the good thing is that I have got a book of 401 Indian recipes. It's a book from Taste of India. So inside the book, it has all the recipes. Read the book and prepare the recipes. And another one is the heart-friendly recipes. So it's a book of 30 heart-friendly recipes. So like you can prepare wheat rava idli. In snacks you can prepare the saffron potatoes. So it has got all the details, and so it will definitely help to prepare, and I hope it makes a good dishes. And this one is a manual for 401 dishes. So you can see it's a 401 recipe list. And the final thing is that is the user manual, which will help to understand how to operate the microwave. So I hope you find this video helpful. It was an unboxing video. I will share the product review in my another video. Thank you. Bye bye.